Hello, I am Shrija Mukherjee. I am from BA 6th semester. This is my last semester. I'm doing my undergrads in Sociology honors. I got to know about KIIT through my friends, the alumni here. So my experience as KIIT is very nice. The teachers here are very supportive. Friends, environment, everyone is very helpful, friendly and very cooperative. My future plans include I'll do my master's in public policy and I've got offer letters from University of Glasgow, King's College London, University of Exeter and Manchester, and scholarships also. And my time in here at KIIT was very nice, and 3 years was just like a dream, the perfect college life everyone wishes for. I was a part of my music club and KIIT Fest, of course, the biggest fest in Odisha. I was a part of it. Sociology, the most I love about is it is a very practical subject, and teachers here help a lot in understanding all the concepts, and it is very real life oriented. I can see what is happening in front of my eyes and apply the same in my academics too. KIIT is always the best decision I've ever taken in my life.